Hi dear friends, this is Swadesh Modok. You are watching video from Impact, the Spoken English Club. My today's topic is present perfect continuous. Okay, please get ready to listen. At first I am giving you some examples. I am learning German. How long have you been learning German? I have been learning German for 2 years. David is watching television. How long has he been watching television? He has been watching television since 5 o'clock. It is now 10 o'clock. Okay. So, please try to understand. I have been learning German for 2 years or since 2007, 2017 or 2010, whatever it is, no problem. But try to understand the duration I am giving you, it's a long duration. We can use the preposition since and for to refer to a long duration. We need to know where to use since and where to use for. Okay. Please try to understand. I am telling you. We use for to refer to a period of time, and we use since to refer to a point of time. For example, I have been learning English for 2 years. This is a complete period of time. And now the year is 2019. And I started learning English in 2017. Okay. So, the point of time is 2017. Okay. So, if I refer here the year from which or from where I started learning English, I need to use here since. For example, I have been learning English since 2017. Okay. And if I want to use the period of time, the whole period of time, I need to use here for 2 years or since 2017. Okay. I think it is clear to you. Now I am telling you the formation. In this construction of present perfect continuous, we use as auxiliary have been and has been according to the person or according to the number of persons. Okay. For example, I have been, we have been, you have been, they have been, but he, she. If the subject is third person singular number, we use has been. And after these auxiliaries have been or has been, we use here also the ing form. We know it very well how to frame ing form. We use ing, actually ing is a suffix. We add this suffix with the base form or present form of the verb. For example, go plus ing going, eat plus ing eating, read plus ing reading, watch plus ing watching. I have used learning, learn plus ing learning, teach plus ing teaching. Okay. For example, I have been teaching English for 10 years. Okay, but if I want to mention the point of time, I need to use since. I have been teaching English since 2009. Okay, so please try to understand. We use this tense, we use this construction, actually we use this construction to refer to any long duration work, any work which is of long duration. Okay, for example, my friend is waiting for 2 years, but this is wrong. If I say my friend is waiting for 2 years, or my friend is waiting since morning, 2 years for his job, or since morning for his girlfriend. Okay, my friend is waiting since morning. It is now 5 o'clock in the evening, and my friend is waiting for his girlfriend since morning. It is a work of long duration. Or I can say my friend is waiting for 2 years for his job. Okay, for achieving his goal. Okay, so please try to understand the construction. In negative, simply we use also not. But where to use this not? This is somewhat confusing, because in auxiliary we have here have been and has been. But try to understand, we use not after the first auxiliary. For example, I have not been learning German. Okay, she has not been learning English for 2 years or for 1 month, whatever it is, a duration, a period of time should be there. It may be 2 hours, it may be 2 years or 2 months, whatever. Okay, but it should be a long duration. Okay, so please try to understand it and try to practice it. Try to make as many sentences as you can, because we need to use this type of sentences in our everyday life. Okay, suppose you are waiting for your friend at a bus stop or at office or at school, wherever. Okay, you are waiting for a long time. How can you tell this to your friend? You can tell this, you can express this. Okay, that I have been waiting here for 5 hours. Where are you now? You told me to come here at 10 o'clock. It's now afternoon. Okay, it's now 3 p.m. Where are you? I have been waiting here for you for 5 hours. I have been waiting here for you since 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so please try to understand and use this way. Okay, today up to this. Thank you.